see these brighter green colors here? There is a tremendous amount of hail with this thunderstorm, so we will definitely watch it as it makes its way eastward. A hooking behavior here, right around the Phelps region of Pike County, Kentucky. You kind of see where all the wind goes into the storm in that one location. Well, that could be 60-mile-an-hour gusts or greater. And in fact, to take it a step further, there's even some weak rotation. The colors not really close together. They're kind of spread out, though. It would not be out of the question to get a quick spin-up tornado out of this. Coffee badging. I'll tell you what. There you go, Daniel. And, make sure you get me 2 cream and 2 sugar next time, please. All right? Very, very important, okay? Okay, no more coffee badging. It's bad for your work ethic at work, people. Points left. And look what we have.
2 sugars. There you
We've
go.
got our coffee, and it's ready to go for us here at Eyewitness News. Take a look behind me here. If you look up by the roof, there are pieces of the roof that have been torn off of this building by severe thunderstorms and strong wind gusts, even some of the bricks away. Now, the one advantage is that this occurred during the regularly scheduled spring break for the students, so no one inside the building at the time when this happened. And we're going to see this activity make its way closer to the Gallup Police area around 12:30, then even up towards Pomeroy, 12:45, and then we'll start to look towards Ripley and Parkersburg after 1 in the morning. Idalia's impacts have been widespread across Florida to Georgia to South Carolina. Heavy rain, gusty winds, even isolated tornadoes can happen in tropical systems. And here's one that happened in Goose Creek, South Carolina just a couple hours ago. This video was taken and posted to TikTok, and you can see a car being thrown in a spin-up of winds into another car upside down and causing some damage as well. It was a microburst with winds up to 100 miles an hour that smashed through a community in Cabell County yesterday. Crews were still trying to clear trees from roadways this afternoon in Lesage after the storm brought hail and 90 to 100 mile an hour winds. Well, sunny skies are in that full forecast for your Labor Day holiday, and very summer-like weather outside as well. For the next few days, you're probably going to need the sunscreen if you're going to be outdoors, because it's going to be warm and toasty out there. We're going to talk about our next chances for rain and a rather dry week ahead coming up in that full forecast after the break. In particular, the tree pollen is very high right now, but we're going to be seeing rising levels both of grass and also mold spores into the next week. Tuesday, a lot of sunshine back in the 70s. Could be a pretty tough allergy day out there, but notice the drop off by the middle of the week. That is good, especially as we continue to get deeper into the spring. Nice and dry right now, a little bit of cloud cover lingering in our southern counties. Interesting enough, by morning that could help to mitigate the frost potential there, but high pressure, this large area through the middle of the country, keeping us spring-like at this point in time, and also allowing the rain and the bigger weather systems down to the Carolinas and into the far southern part of the country. Now, here are the frost advisories again in effect until 8 in the morning here north of Charleston. Most of the viewing area in northern West Virginia and also southeastern Ohio, except for Lawrence and Scioto counties at this point, but there's still the possibility in those sheltered hollows, the areas that are blocked by the wind, to get some more frost down south. So patchy frost on your Sunday morning. I will say the better chance for a big widespread killing frost per se will be on Monday morning. So make sure if you have any sensitive plants outdoors that could be affected by that you start to think about how you're going to bring them indoors as we begin the work week to keep them nice and safe. So here we go. Increase in clouds though for the rest of your Saturday night down into the 40s and 30s to start off Sunday morning. The clearing to the north, the cloud cover to the south. Mostly cloudy skies for most of Sunday. There may be a peak of sunshine or two, especially into the afternoon. Something fun for the day will be the Monster X Tour. Monster trucks at the Lawrence County Fairgrounds in Proctorville. Pit party at 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. This starts off into the 50s. A light jacket will be nice, but also just a tad bit breezy out there as well. Here is our sunshine by the afternoon. Looks pretty good outside, but then the temperatures really fall off. A frigid start to Monday out there, and a nice afternoon as we warm up into the 60s out there as well. And we're going to look for moisture to increase to our west on Tuesday. A system starts to make its way in. For the most part, though, Tuesday looks nice and warm. Up to 70 degrees outside. The cold front slowing down now into the evening. And as we head into early Wednesday, a little bit of rain to help refresh things out there. But we restart the cycle again with frost chances early Thursday and gradually warming up in the pattern Friday and Saturday.